Good morning. My name is Susan Ferguson and I live in Concord, California. My husband and sons have lived here since May of 1987. About 6 months ago, we noticed that there was a leak in the roof. So in contacting roofing companies, we came across Semper Solaris, and they said that they could not only do our roof, but also solar panels. We started researching solar energy because we just wanted to make sure that our expenses were within our means. During the process of researching solar companies, we talked to about 5 different companies and always went back to Semper Solaris. One of the things that made us choose Semper Solaris is their support of the military. My father was a retired colonel in the Army. My husband was in the National Guard. Our youngest son was in the Marines and did 2 tours in Iraq. It's important to me that businesses reach out to veterans. Semper Solaris has done an awesome job in reaching out to veterans, not only in this community, but in the Bay Area. Before we had solar panels installed, our utility bill ran about $390 a month. Since our panels were installed, our first utility bill showed a $57 credit. The thing that excites my husband and I about now having solar panels is realizing that we are no longer on the grid. We're more green than we were because we feel that we have a little bit more control over what we do in order to conserve energy. 3 years ago, my husband had a stroke. During the process of having our new roof and the solar panels installed, there were quite a few Semper Solaris employees that were here, and they went out of their way to make sure they weren't interfering with our life and to communicate with my husband in order to make sure that he understood the entire process. We felt that we had a friendship with the Semper Solaris employees and that they were honestly there for our benefit. Products that are made in the United States are important because that helps our economy. My husband and I would strongly recommend Semper Solaris to our neighbors or friends.